It's April 9th, 2009. We replaced 2 of these plastic wear plates. There's 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top, and 1 on each side of the internal dipper. This is the pin for the cylinder end eye for that end. The rod end should be attached there, but I didn't take it off, didn't remove it. So we're going to try to put the cylinder back in and push those hoses back into the internal dipper here.
Forward! Stop!
Oh, I see, it isn't up there. Is there enough? Well, what if I try to go ahead? Will it kind of force? Oops, it just did. It went through, look at it.
Oh, you know what it was? It needed to be lifted over that steel.
Okay.
Now you see how it expanded? This didn't move.
Yeah.
It's compressing something.
Right. Yeah, well, that's good. It kind of, it's self-aligned.
Oh, this is boy, that's super easy to compress.
Okay.
Go, keep going. Okay.
unhook the chains.
Only from Isaac, because when you need fuel, we'll be there. Wow, $99 or less. That's amazingly affordable, and it just gets better because there are no interest charges.
That's where the hoses go into the inner dipper for the extend-a-hose cylinder, and that's where you disconnect them inside the boom. And you've also the hose, those 3/4 inch hoses on the outside. Those are the bucket cylinder hoses. You have to take those off too to take the outer dipper off.